In this video, I am going to share how to create a document and save as a file in MS Word. While using MS program, we can able to create a document. So in computer, while clicking MS Word, the screen is appear like this. So file option, the menu bar you have in the top of the column. While using file option, while clicking the file option, you have the you can able to see the option like this: new, open, save, open, close, save, like this option will appear. So while clicking up new option, you can able to create the new document. While using new document, you can able to write up in that new document. You can able to insert more pages too. While clicking up the new document, you can able to write the paragraph as well as the document you can able to create it. That is what the main foremost feature of the MS Word. So in that paragraph, you have to align anything that is possible while editing option. So you need to change anything that you have to drag it and you have to copy it. So you want to give a bold for that any headings means that you have to drag and you have to click B option, so that word will be bolded. So in likewise, you can able to change the font styles as well as the any important content you need to give an underline. That is also possible while using U option. These and all the things will appear in toolbar of the top of the toolbar as top of the column. Then the next, you have to change any font size as well as the font type. You have to give the color of the font as well as you have to align the text. That is the every document paragraph you have to start. We have to start with some line spacing. So that line spacing will be possible while using the alignment of text. So where the document has to be located, that you can able to decide it in center or middle, or else the top of the content. So that and all you can able to do while using the alignment of text. So exclusively paragraph formatting, we have the option. So while using this option, we can able to change. We can able to align the paragraph as much. So we have to leave line spacing. There was a line spacing option, 1.5 A4 sheet. So normally for project and all, the 1.5 line spacing will be given. So it will be, while looking up, it will be very neat. While that is what the main use of paragraph formatting. So insert header and footer also is possible. While preparation of any project, any document, the header and footer as well as the page number is important. While go with the insert menu, you can able to see the option header and footer. While clicking up the header, you can able to give the headings for the each topic. So the main topic you can able to give. When if anything you need to give an as below the page, that is the footer page, that is also possible. Either you can able to give header and footer, both the option can able to use the two. Then can able to give the page numbers for the pages also, it's possible. So like this it will become. So I have to use the insert option. Go with the insert option. The option will become like this. So use the header option. You can able to give the document heading. Like this will be appear. So type the document title. You can able to type the document title as top of the page. So you need to close header and footer. You have the option. While insert itself, you can see the option like closing of header and footer. So you can able to close the header and footer too. If you need it, you can add it. If you don't want, so you can able to close the header and footer option. So